Hello, everybody.
Welcome to an unboxing video. Soon, by popular demand, we'll be doing weird unboxings. Ooh, what's that gonna be? Stay tuned, it's gonna be fucking weird. Today we'll be unboxing something cool. Let's do it. Hello there, ladies and jumper clamps. Stay tuned. Later in this week, we'll be doing a weird unboxing, and that's gonna be fun. I don't know what's gonna be in it. Neither do you. Isn't that the point? We're going to be doing a lot of taking things out of boxes and showing you the things. This right here is a box. No, seriously, no joke. This is a box. You'll open this, set it over here. Let's get straight into it with this first item. Look at this. We have a Darth Maul figurine. Moving parts and everything. Super radical. Let's not waste any time. Next item we have is another Darth Maul figurine without the hood. Really cool. Moving clothes and everything. These are really amazing quality because they are legit. Look at this. Look how dope these are. So totally cool. Moving on to one of my favorites. Like this, episode 1. Anakin's C-3PO. How cool. How cool. To just keep on grooving. One of my favorites right here. Your man, Han Solo. This is an original vintage figurine right here. A vintage Han Solo. I, in fact, met Harrison Ford. And he's a really rad dude, actually. Oh, no! He's a super rad dude, actually. And yet another Han Solo. Probably one of my favorite characters in Star Wars, for sure. We're not quite done. We still have more in the box. And we're saving the bests for last. So look at this. That's right. The bad boy himself. With his lightsaber. Vintage figure. Darth Vader. Look at the awesomeness. Ladies and jumper clamps, are you even understanding the fucking awesomeness that is taking place right now? I hope you are. Actually, we got room for you right there, and here's your original little droid you built when you were a boy. My absolute favorite. There's possibly one or two of these that you do not have a chance to receive. This is one of them. A vintage, amazing C-3PO. It is metal. And it is old AF. Look how cool. Right back here. Look at that. That is so sick. Boy howdy. Do we have the best for last? himself in vintage, in the box, Obi-Wan Kenobi. Look at how awesome this is. Amazing. Almost perfect condition. There's a couple of things on the box here and there, but I'm not gonna sell this or get rid of it. This is doggone mine. And of course you have the back. Your X-Wing and your Land Speeder, TIE Fighter, Millennium Falcon, of course. Here is the Darth Vader from the original vintage packages. But look at this, ladies and jumper clamps. You do have the potential to acquire some of these figures in an upcoming giveaway. Possibly our 400. For all you lovely collectors out there, stay tuned for more cool unboxings. This has been a cool unboxing, Star Wars edition. Let me know some of your favorite collectibles, including Dragon Ball Z. Be sure to like this video, comment down below your favorite Star Wars character or your favorite collectible in general. Let me know what you guys like to collect. And let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. Maybe we'll do some Yu-Gi-Oh! Perhaps we'll do some Magic. Who knows? There's so many things to collect, and I love to do even more so than Pokemon. And stay tuned later this week for a mystery weird unboxing. That's going to be weird. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick Star Wars unboxing. It's pretty awesome to find those things. Let me know your favorite out of what you saw. And perhaps you could win one of them. We'll be having a huge giveaway soon of so many different things. So many different things. These are not the Pokemon you're looking for. Or are they? I'll see you guys tomorrow or something. Bye-bye.